What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's doing well, man. I'm glad you are here. Today we got a lesson for you. Today we are going over congregational songs, okay? We're going to go over congregational songs. And really, once you get it down pat, you learn the progression. You can apply it to different keys. You can play along with different songs. This style of music, this style of song, they change up some words, change up some lyrics, but really the structure of it for the most part stays the same. Now, this you can have a lot of fun on, play around. Especially when you got a band, you got more musicians. It's a lot of fun you can have with this style of music, this style of playing. So we're doing a congregational tune, okay? We're doing a congregational tune. Today, let's just do it in A flat, okay? Because you're going to get in church and they're going to be playing them flats. You're going to be playing with them keyboard players. They're going to be playing sharps and flats because they like it, okay? They like it, all right? So let's play along. I just want to try to break the song down in its most simple form, okay? I'm by any means not any expert. I'm not a professional. None of those things, you know what I mean? None of that fancy stuff. No offense to anybody who is, okay? All right, I'm just a regular guy. I just want to give a disclaimer. I'm just a regular guy who likes guitar, and I want to help somebody, okay? I want to help somebody. So in the key A flat, all right? Now this style of music, but specifically, I'm playing this A flat dominant 7, all right? Now, if you go in the country, all right, you know what I'm talking about, in the sticks, they might play it with a minor, the A minor instead of the 7. But most settings today, they gonna play it. They gonna play it like this. But you gonna go someplace they gonna play the 1 like a minor, okay? So the 1 is gonna. All right, that's the kick we're going. All right, so we're going to 1. All right, that's it. That's it. Now, what are we doing? What are we doing now? Okay, what are we doing? We're going to 1. I want to break it down as slow as you can. I'm playing this A dominant 7. I mean A sharp. Excuse me, A flat. Dominant 7. Now we're going up. All right, we're going to the 4. We're gonna play. Matter of fact, all this, let's just do dominant 7s on all of it, okay? So we're going D flat dominant 7. All right, what we can do from that D flat dominant 7, we go. That's a B flat dominant 7. So that's our 2. 5. Which is a, what is that? An E flat dominant 7. Back to our 1. All right, it don't get no more simple than that. If we're doing 1 string. Then we're going to the 4. Then we're going 2, 5, 1. Let's see if we're gonna put some music with it. What's the song? Everybody. I'm a soldier in the army of the Lord. Take it up. I'm a soldier in the army. See? Or how about this? Didn't I tell you it'll be alright? Didn't I tell you it'll be alright? If you live right, heaven belongs to you. If you live right. That's it, okay? That's it. Don't make it no harder. Don't make it no harder, okay? Don't make it no harder. And in there, right? Since you're in this A flat dominant, you can play some A minor. Now, depending on what's going on, you might want to stay away from that. You might want to stay away from that because really that dominant 7 got that flatted 7 in it. So you might have to put that in there, okay? You might have to put that in there or just. And you can make up your own pattern, you know. What's this? Because guess what? Sometimes you'll get on what do they call it? What do they call it? The part of the song where it kind of stays, it feels like it's staying on the one, right? So if we're in A flat, I want you to know that when you start bumping, okay, when you start the bump or the shout part, we say shout, bump, and if you're in the country tempo, on the one, excuse me, on the one. That's a great exercise. You see, I started on the one, then I'm going to the 3, 4, excuse me, flat, yeah, 4, flat, 5, 5. These are moves you gotta know. Practice these. All right, now you might get to a point where you're going, oh, what? You know, stuff like that. 3, and so what's that? That's 3, 4, flat, 5, 5. And then it might actually walk up to the 6. From the 5. So in context, where am I going? All right. I mean, you in the game now. You in the game now. And that applies. Listen, if you change keys, so let's say we go to B flat. All right, let's say we go to B flat. Same pattern. Stay on the 1. And now, but it changes. So what we got? We got our 4 is an E flat. So our 2 is gonna be a C. Our 5 is now gonna be F. Back to our 1. All right, there. It's, man, hey, look, this is fun too. Like I said, this is good exercise right here. So starting on that A flat, that's my root. I would say get a metronome. That's what I'm gonna do to practice, okay? Because I'm trying to grow like you, okay? Uh-oh. Ah. It's all kind of stuff you can do, okay? Play around with that. And there's, remember, you can break up and put your triads, make it triads instead of playing the full chord. I always like full chords. I don't know why. Probably because I'm just in here by myself right now. I ain't got a band. If I had a band, I would have to change up some stuff. The bass player and the organ player, he not gonna like that. He gonna be like, what is that? He gonna like, he ain't never, what is that? He gonna get that. But listen, man, I hope this helps you, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you dig this style of content and you're not subscribed already. Hop in the comments. Let me get some feedback from you, okay? How do you play this? What key? What favorite key? What's your favorite key to play to go shouting in or go bumping in? Or look, tell me this. What BPM? How many beats per minute? What's the fastest you can play in? We start getting up a little high, and you feel like your hand or your forearm or something about to lock up. All right. You ever caught a cramp at bump time? You ever caught a cramp at bump time? Listen, man. I hope this blesses you. Y'all, man. I'm trying to tell you. Oh, this good stuff right here. What's another one?